In this video, I'm going to show you 6 different ways that you can make money with cryptocurrency, even if you're risk averse like I am. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn the best ways to make money with crypto. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Alright, so as I mentioned in this video, we're going to talk about all of the different ways that you can make money with crypto, and it actually doesn't require you to invest in crypto. So these methods are going to be both passive and active income, but they can actually help you make money relatively quickly. So the first one that I want to talk about is actually with NFT games. Now, if you don't know anything about me, you know that I enjoy playing video games, and I actually just recently stumbled across all of these different ways that you can make money playing NFT games. And so what you do, you go out and play all of these different games, and you actually paid in crypto. And the cool thing is you can start making a little bit of money and then reinvest to make a lot of money. There are tons of people talking about this. I actually was surprised and shared this with my friend because I didn't realize that this was an opportunity. So if you don't want to invest in the next meme coin, but you want to get into crypto and you want to start making some money and you like gaming, this could be an opportunity. So this is #1. I think this is a pretty cool way. If you are a gamer, this is a relatively easy shift. If you're not interested in games, this could actually be boring and annoying, but I think selling games or playing games could be pretty cool. So that's #1. #2 is actually with the Metaverse. Now, within the Metaverse, there are tons of opportunities to make money. Now, one interesting thing with the Metaverse is people are buying up real estate. And the only way you can buy real estate in the Metaverse is with cryptocurrency. And what's happening is people are buying real estate in the Metaverse, in the different versions of Metaverse, and they're actually holding it and then reselling it for 3, 4, 5, and even 10 times the amount. So if you want to make money with crypto without investing in crypto, my suggestion is to get into one of these different sandboxes of the Metaverse, start buying up real estate, what you can afford, hold it for 6 months to a year, and then you can flip it and make much more money. And there are tons of different of these metaverses out there. For example, if we type in sandbox metaverse like this, you can see that there are tons of these different things out there. The user generated crypto. You just want to find one that you feel comfortable with, start buying a little bit of real estate, and then you can make money. Also within the Metaverse, you can actually run ads. So if you can advertise for people, you can sell different things. If you're into graphic design, you can build stuff and sell it. Everything from a car to, a picture frame. You can make money that way. So there are a bunch of ways to make money within the Metaverse, and the Metaverse only takes crypto. So that is #2. #3 is actually starting a YouTube channel. Take a look at this channel here. This channel, it's called Altcoin Daily, and they talk about different alternative coins to the big ones that you already know. So if we open this up, we take a look at the oldest video. The oldest video is 3 years ago, so it's not that old of a channel, and they really got into it within the last 2 years or so. But if we take a look at Social Blade, now Social Blade is a website that estimates how much YouTube channels are making. You can see that they're making a decent amount of money just talking about crypto. And the good part about this is they're actually paid in cash, or they're paid with the YouTube Partner Program via AdSense. But you can see it says that they're making $16,000 a month. I would assume they're making more, closer to probably 20, 25. And they're just talking about altcoins. Now, what you can do if you have no idea what to talk about is you can hop on over to Google, and you can do like Google News like this, and you can find different altcoins to talk about. For example, this channel is talking about most recently, let's change this to the most viewed here. This channel is talking about Solana, the Solana altcoin. So we can do Solana, SOLANA, I think it is. So we can do Solana price, and you can see people are talking about this crypto. You simply can read and review the information that you have, summarize and synthesize, and you can make money. So if we go here, we can also go to Google. We're going to paste this in just like that. And then we can go over to news. And once again, you're going to see there are all sorts of stuff that you can create content on and potentially make money. Some of these channels are just reading off the news articles. I don't recommend that you do that, but you can see that there's tons of opportunity and you just want to pick a cryptocurrency. And if you need help with that, you can go over to Google Trends. So we'll go to trends.google.com, and we could type in something like cryptocurrency, just like this. We could just type in crypto, and then we want to take a look and see what individual cryptos are being talked about. Look at this: SafeMoon, Shiba Inu, Metaverse, buy SafeMoon, Shiba Inu. You can see the related queries here, and this is where you potentially want to start creating content. What I would do is I would come back up here to the Explore page and make sure that these are ones that people are still talking about. But if you follow enough of these alternative or if you follow enough of these crypto YouTube channels, you'll find the ones that are most popular, and that's going to be your opportunity to make money. So after YouTube, you could also start a blog. What I did is I just typed in crypto. You can see there are 8.3 or 8.9 million monthly searches, 223,000 keywords for the term crypto. What we can do is we can change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less, which would be a opportunity for new blogs or websites. But you can see here that people are talking about all sorts of stuff. What you could even do too is you can copy this, hop back over to YouTube, paste this in just like this, and hit enter. And you can see that people are creating content about these other alternatives, and you could potentially start getting traffic. Now, what I would do is I would paste this in just like this. And then we want to try and find blogs and websites that are talking about this exact thing. And so what we can do is just kind of scroll through, jump to page 4 or 5, and we're looking for small and medium-sized blogs or websites. So we're looking for an opportunity. But if we come back over here, we can find the Eclipse crypto. Maybe this is a better opportunity. And we're just going to paste this in once again. And this is going to be opportunity for us to create content. If we look at this, we could copy the link address like this, come back up to Ahrefs, go to Site Explorer, paste it in, and hit enter. And this is going to give us an idea of how much traffic is coming to the website, how much money they're making potentially, and keywords that you could use to start making money. So while that loads, we can talk about the final one, which is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. You could be an affiliate for Coinbase or Binance, and these are things people need in order to buy and sell crypto. You can see here with Binance, just like this, that people are coming here to buy, sell, and trade crypto. So we'll go to the US version here, but this is a huge opportunity to make money. If you scroll down to the bottom, it should say become an affiliate somewhere, and that's how you become an affiliate. And then you can make money by creating a YouTube channel, by creating a blog, even talking about it on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and refer people over to your affiliate link. You can say, hey, look, if you're ready to get started with cryptocurrency, click this link and you can actually start trading today. And then that's how you would make money potentially. So just to recap, we've got NFT Games, we have blog, we have Metaverse, YouTube, stocks. As you can see here, stocks, if you are, I don't know if I talked about this, but crypto ETF, you can see if you are risk averse like I am, you can find different exchange traded funds that are traded on the stock market, and you can make money that way. I don't think I mentioned this before, but bonus tip, you can jump on the stock market, find all of these different ETFs that are going to be a little bit more stable than trading individual stock, individual cryptocurrency. And this could be the opportunity to make money. But you can see here, some of the large investment firms have created ETFs based on cryptocurrency. So just to recap one more time, we've got games, we have stocks or ETFs, we have blogs, Metaverse, YouTube, and affiliate marketing. Now that you know the different ways that you can make money with crypto without having to be a crypto guru, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.